Hey y'all, welcome back to Legit Mom Life, where I'm sharing another Get It All Done With Me style video where I'm sharing some major pantry organization, a refrigerator deep clean, some house updates, and a cook with me as I'm sharing a yummy pumpkin French toast recipe. So make sure you watch the entire video and stay tuned for that at the very end. And I really hope that this video will inspire you to check off whatever is on your to-do list. This is what my pantry currently looks like, and it is a total disaster, so it's in some major need of organization. Here on Legit Mom Life, I upload brand new videos every single week, so I would really love if you consider subscribing. I do upload lots of mommy motivation type videos as well as beauty tutorials, so make sure you stick around and check those out. Also, comment down below and let me know what is one thing that you can check off your to-do list this week. Here's what my pantry looks like after organizing it. It's so much better, a huge difference from the before. And it's not the most Pinterest worthy pantry, but it's functional and it works for us. So that's what really matters. And to be honest, a lot of these organizers can get pretty pricey, but these are only about $6 each. So I'll link them down below, but they're super easy to wipe down and clean, so that's why I also love them. So I'll give y'all a quick tour of where we have everything stored in our pantry so you can maybe get some inspiration for your own pantry. This whole project was actually a lot faster to complete than I thought it would be, so if you need some motivation to maybe organize your own pantry, just start chipping away at it a little bit at a time and you'll gain that momentum to keep going.
I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me?
Next up on my to-do list was to deep clean our refrigerator. Obviously, I have a lot of tidying up to do in here as well and clean things out, but also just to wipe all the surfaces down inside the refrigerator because I'd been putting that off for too long. So we're gonna do some major cleaning in here. Cleaning out the refrigerator is probably one of my least favorite tasks in the house to do, so if you need to clean out your refrigerator too, feel free to watch along, turn up the music, and clean with me.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
After deep cleaning my refrigerator, the next task on my to-do list was actually for Brian, and it was to hang our new curtains.
Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
Brian just got done hanging the curtains on this section. We still have to do this one over here and then these as well. But they look so good. I feel like it really brightens up the room. And as you can tell, they're a little bit short, but that's because I need to steam them. So once I steam them, they will relax and look more flush with the floor, because we have the same brand in our bedroom and it was the same issue after we hung them. So after I steam them, they'll look good, but I'm so excited.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I also ordered these curtain pullbacks, and so Brian is going to be installing these next while we're still waiting on some of our other curtains to come in.
But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make.
The next morning, I was really in the mood to make a good fall breakfast, so I decided on pumpkin French toast, and it's such a good recipe and the kids loved it, so I will link it on my Pinterest down below. But for this recipe, all you'll need is some pumpkin puree, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, sugar, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and then some thick sliced bread.
To these battlegrounds, where you flee, you don't stick around.
I really hope this video gave you some good motivation to do all the mom things. Please like this video, comment down below, because I truly love connecting with y'all and it really helps me out. Subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it